Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to an update review about this one. It is the Squiddy-B from Squid Industries, and I got this thing for about, I've been waiting this to arrive to my address like 2 months waiting, and finally got here. And on the box, what you got here, it is like Squid Industries pouch, and then you got one sticker, which is I already put it on my Pelican case. And you got the thing, I mean you got the Squiddy, and also you got, yeah, like a card right here. Oops, I'm sorry, so windy out here. Wow. So I'm gonna put right here. So yeah, I just got this for about like 60 bucks from Squid website, and it's very nice. My first impression, this is very light. It is much lighter than my other Balisong, like my CD Balisong or the Amazon Balisong trainer or my Squid trainer. Yeah, because for the specification what you got here, it is made out of plastic. I think it is black acetal plastic. It is kind of strong plastic. Yeah, it's make this thing feels very light on hand, but yeah, it still do tricks like very well. And also for the length, it is about 10 inches when open like this, and it's like pretty similar like this typical like my Balisong, also 10 inches length, so it is not too short or not too long. But yeah, on Squiddy-B you got here like O-ring, so it can reduce its sounds when closing like this. So, and the Squiddy, I mean the white Squiddy, it just don't have this O-ring, so it makes like the sounds more louder. Yeah, it is louder when flipping, so this O-ring like reduce the sound when closing like this, which is very nice. And yeah, it is also runs on washers like this, bronze washers, you can see, and it's very nice, it's very smooth like that. I think for 80 bucks, I'm sorry, I think for 60 bucks it is worthy to get this thing. I mean, like for your start Balisong to get into this hobby, I really recommend this thing. And yeah, it's very good. But I think you must, like when you, especially when you already flipping like steel Balisong, that you can I mean when you flip it, this thing, I think you must adjust the weight and adjust the flippability for this thing, because yeah, it just feels very light when you change into steel Balisong and then flipping this, that you like I mean needed time to getting used to it. And yeah, but just flip it all the time and then you will get it. I mean, like, can do all the tricks very well. And yeah, it is like very nice for 60 bucks. I think I recommend this thing, and I ordered from Squid website, like for 60 bucks. It is very nice. It is for 2 months waiting to get to my address in Indonesia. It is, yeah, it is a little bit longer, but yeah, what you got here, I think it is worthy. Oh yeah, and I forgot mention about this torque. Yeah, it is like use T10 torque. Yeah, it boats like T10, so you can adjust it. When the first time I get it, it is so stiff, so I need to adjust it. So you can see right now, yeah, it is very smooth. And I already oiling it, yeah, giving a loop on here, and it's very nice. So it swings freely and acts smoothly like this. And yeah, I think that pretty much it for today's update review for this Squiddy-B. And I really recommend this thing, especially for your starter Balisong when you want to get into this hobby. Alright, that pretty much for today's review, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.